Hello friends, welcome to ITLS Academy. In this video tutorial, we will learn about the exam pattern of GATE Life Science examination. We will also discuss about the botany syllabus of GATE Life Science exam. I am your mentor Arnav Bera. I am from West Bengal. I have done my MSc in botany from Vidyasagar University. I was the silver medalist in both BSc and MSc botany of our university. I have qualified West Bengal state eligibility test in life science for the recruitment of assistant professor in colleges of West Bengal. I have also qualified GATE Excel examination with an all India rank 78 in my first attempt. Currently, I am pursuing my PhD from Vidyasagar University. Now here we will discuss about the exam pattern for GATE Life Science examination. Now see here, in the first portion you will get a general aptitude portion which is compulsory. In this portion you will get 5 questions bearing 1 marks and 5 questions bearing 2 marks. That means from that portion you will get total 15 marks. Second portion is the chemistry, and this portion is also compulsory. From this portion you will get 5 questions bearing 1 marks and 10 questions bearing 2 marks. So from that portion you will get total 25 marks. In the third portion there are 5 subjects, which is biochemistry, botany, zoology, microbiology and food technology. From these 5 subjects you need to choose 2 subjects, and from those 2 subjects you will get 30 marks each. So total you will get 60 marks. From 30 marks of one subject you will get 10 questions bearing 1 marks and 10 questions bearing 2 marks. So here you can get 30 marks and you have to choose 2 subjects. That means you will get 60 marks from that portion. Now in my course I will teach you botany portion, and also I will teach you the general aptitude portion. So I will cover 45 marks among 100 marks, and I guarantee you after your full preparation with my video tutorials you will get minimum 32 to 33, which is your minimum marks. Okay, and if you check the last previous year cutoffs, you will know that the cutoff mark from GATE Excel examination varies between 30 to 35. So from 45 marks you can gain 32 to 33 marks. Okay. Other subjects like biochemistry, zoology, microbiology and food technology, these subjects will be covered by other mentors. For further details you can contact in our helpline number. Now here we will discuss about the syllabus of GATE Excel Botany. Now see, in the section 1 there is plant systematics, major system of classification, that means the natural and artificial classification, and also the phylogenetic classification, plant group, phylogenetic relationship and molecular systematic. From this section you will get 2 to 4 marks. You will get a question at the section 1, that means you will get a 1 marks question, or you may get a 2 marks question also. So from this section or from section 1 you will get 2 to 3 marks. Okay, in the section 2 there is plant anatomy, plant cell structure, its component, cell wall and the membrane structure, cell organelles, cytoskeleton, anatomy of roots, stem and leaves, floral parts, embryo and young seedling, meristems, vascular system, their ontogeny, structure and functions, secondary growth in plant and stellar organization. From that portion you will get 3 to 4 marks. You will get questions in both 1 mark section and 2 mark sections also. Now here comes the vital portion, that is the section 3 and the section 4. In section 3 there is morphogenesis and development of cell cycle, their cell division, life cycle of an angiosperm, pollination, fertilization, embryogenesis, seed formation, seed storage protein, seed dormancy and germination, concept of cellular totipotency, clonal propagation, organogenesis and somatic embryogenesis, artificial seed, somoclonal variation, secondary metabolism in plant cell culture, embryo culture and in vitro fertilization. From this portion you will get 3 to 4 marks. And from section 4, where it is comprises the plant physiology and biochemistry portion, you will get 6 to 8 marks from that section 4 portion. Okay, so let's see what we have got in the section 4. In the section 4 we have the physiology and biochemistry of plant water relation, transport of minerals and solute, stress physiology, stomatal physiology, signal transduction, nitrogen metabolism, photosynthesis, photorespiration, respiration, flowering, photoperiodism, vernalization, biochemical mechanism involved in flowering, molecular mechanism of senescence and aging, biosynthesis, mechanism of action and physiological effect of plant growth regulators, structure and function of biomolecules like protein, carbohydrates, lipids and nucleic acid. Also we have enzyme kinetics from that portion, and from that portion you will get 6 to 8 marks. Now let's discuss about the section 5. Section 5 is consisting the genetic portion, where the principle of Mendelian inheritance, linkage, recombination, genetic mapping, extra chromosomal inheritance, prokaryotic and eukaryotic gene expression, regulation of gene expression, gene mutation and repair, chromosomal abbreviation and transposons are there. From that portion you will get 3 to 4 marks. Section 6 is from the plant breeding and genetic modification portion. Here you will get 3 to 4 marks only. Now in the section 7, and from that section 7 you can check the last previous year questions also. You will get a 2 marks question confirmed from that section 7, that is the economic botany portion. And from that portion you need to study specific economic plants and their used part and use of purpose, that mean in which purpose those plant parts are used. Okay, 8th portion is the plant pathology portion, and from that portion also you will get a 2 marks question, confirm question of 2 marks from the section 8 portion also. Here you need to remember some disease of plants and disease causing organism. Okay, you will get a matching question from that portion. Generally you can check the last previous year questions also. If you don't have last previous year's questions, ITLS Academy will provide the last 10 year question of GATE Excel examination. Section 9 is the ecology portion, and from that portion also you will get 4 to 6 marks. So these portions are pretty easy to score. The ecology, plant pathology and economic botany, these portions will give you at least 12 marks from that 3 portion, and these 3 portions are the easiest in the botany portion. So friends, follow us in YouTube, Instagram and Facebook. We have a YouTube channel. Please subscribe our YouTube channel also. Here it is our YouTube channel. You can search in YouTube ITLS Academy and you can subscribe our channel also. We have an app in Google Play Store also. You can download it. Okay. So thank you everyone for listening.